This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
Rob, does the road ahead look healthy for manufacturing? You know, it's kind of funny looking over the last several years. Like you said, non-residential is kind of fueled by like one or two things. You know, it was warehouses and data centers at one point really kind of driving that forward. And, you know, now it sounds like manufacturing is really the leader in the clubhouse there. Does the road ahead look pretty healthy relatively for non-residential, again, because of manufacturing?
I wouldn't count anything out. I would say, honestly, that every time some sector slows down in this new e-commerce economy, something else builds up. Right now, you know, cold storage refrigeration is one of the highest growth markets for private equity investment, which no one really thought of, you know, would be 20 years ago. There's so much in changing of how we buy things that needs so much logistics and infrastructure, manufacturing with the focus, but also distribution, also storage, things like that. And with AI being so big and the new servers having to be built, I think that we are still very bullish on that whole sector. It's just going to be different spikes amongst kind of a jump together grouping.
Yeah, Kevin, this is another one where you got to be careful with the percentage increases. Manufacturing has tripled in the last 3 years, right? 80-something billion to 240-something billion, right? So if we now moderate the growth, but on a base of 240 versus where 3 years ago it was just 80, still very impressive. So I wouldn't get hung up on the percent growth on some of these markets. It's as that bubble for the size of that market continues to increase, you know, more modest growth rate yields a lot of activity.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.